Hi, this is Todd Baker, your certified mortgage planner, and in this video we're going to discuss escrow accounts. So when you buy a home, part of the annual cost of homeownership is taxes and insurance. The property taxes are determined each year by the county. The county has a procedure in which they appraise and set value to your house, and then your tax rate is applied minus any exemptions to determine what is due. The notice of appraised value comes out in April. The tax bills come out in October and November, and they're due by the end of January. So it's a lump sum due each year. And then your insurance renewal comes due on the anniversary of when you purchased it, unless you've got new insurance, and then it's once a year, and it's also just one lump sum. So to make sure that you have the money set aside to pay those, most loans require what's called an escrow account. And that just means as part of your monthly payment, goes to principal and interest and possibly a mortgage insurance premium. It also takes whatever your annual taxes and insurance are, divides it by 12, and makes that part of your monthly payment. So that's how the escrow is determined going into the loan. The requirements to have an escrow account are any conventional loan with less than 20% down, and then all government loan programs require an escrow. But what I can tell you is that most homeowners, even if they put a large down payment down, most like to have an escrow account, because the fact is it's the same amount of money whether you pay it monthly installments or you pay it one time annually. And if you don't have an escrow account, at the end of the year you have a big bill due, and not everybody plans well for that. So most find it easier to have an escrow account. So that's what escrow accounts are. As you get a loan and move forward with a loan, they're adjusted annually, and they're adjusted because your property can go up in value. It can go even down in value, so it usually goes up in value. So depending on increase in value, you might have a slight upward change in property taxes, and then your insurance also gets renewed annually, and sometimes they raise your rate. So it's important to pay attention to those two events. What I do for my clients as part of their mortgage under management strategy is remind people of their escrow account review, remind people of the notice of appraisal in April, remind my clients to keep an eye on their insurance when it comes due, so that you make sure you're paying only what you need to pay and that you're not being overcharged. So that's how escrow accounts work. Hope you found that information helpful, and please feel comfortable reaching out to me with questions anytime. Thank you and have a great day.